Hello，大家好，歡迎大家又翻到去我嘅頻道啦。今日有個好消息，咁啊公布歌唱比賽嘅最新嘅進展。咁啊，今次咧，我哋就移師到去錄音室，呢度去進行呢個錄影啦。過千個嘅 MV 音樂視頻都係喺呢度發生嘅喎。Slipping through my fingers all the time, I try to capture every minute。嚟緊，我哋呢個電視節目《名師有高徒》嘅歌唱比賽加電視節目嘅機會嚟啦！愛水無限，像你深愛的那樣。OK， 全新概念，我哋今個暑假除咗係喺長沙喺湖南衛視演播廳做全國賽之外，仲有就係可以去到湖南衛視錄影廠裏邊進行錄影節目。好，機會嚟啦。OK， 如果有興趣嘅你，記得睇晒呢條視頻，要睇晒條影片。咁如果中意呢條影片嘅話咧，記得點讚、留言、分享俾你哋中意唱歌嘅家鄰鄰舍同埋同學仔同埋朋友仔。好，嚟啦，開始講我哋呢個比賽啦。大家見到我呢一張凳喎，呢張凳咧就係俾小朋友坐嘅。
孩子最喜樂。Good job. Good job, give me five. I like it. She's so cute. I like her very much.
咁啊，幾多歲咧？就係5歲至16歲，5歲至16歲嘅小朋友嚇。咁咧，佢哋坐呢度，咁跟住同我一齊傾偈互動喎。咁我會用廣東話啦，會用國語啦，會用英文。咁啊，唔會 challenge 佢哋，而係佢哋來自廣東話嘅家庭咧，我就用廣東話。咁佢哋來自國語家庭嘅話咧，我就用國語。如果佢哋有來自英文家庭咧，我就用英文。因為大家都知道我係三文兩語嘅，大部分我影片都係講英文嘅。咁啊，近排就開始講多啲廣東話啦，因為我希望咧更多香港人嘅觀眾或者係講廣東話嘅觀眾遍佈全球，因為而家已經喺18個國家都有學生噶啦。
Again. With your hands. That's good. That's good. You have vibrato. Can you show your vibrato? Let it go like this. I know your dream. Okay, tell everyone what's your dream, Laurie.
My dream is to be like Celine Tan.
Dark time, I will feel eternity.
刚才好棒哦！哎呦
小的快
，so lucky, Caitlin. Okay, you can meet Celine. Did you talk to Celine? Did you have chance? Yes, you have chance to talk to Celine, right? So lucky being my student, right?
包括巴黎啊、印度啊、杜拜啊、馬來西亞、新加坡啊，好多文萊啊、美國啊最多啦，加拿大啊、英國啊咁樣，係啦，日本啦、韓國啦 ，OK， 咁啊數唔到啦 ，OK， 咁啊我哋會首先邀請香港啲嚟先啦。咁如果你哋 March break 啊或者係 Easter break 啊，你哋美國、加拿大有個 holiday 翻咗嚟香港嘅話咧，順便都嚟一嚟，因為咧我哋嘅比賽咧喺香港區就會係喺6月星期日就喺商場裏邊發生嘅。咁啊嚟咗試音，咁喺邊度試音？就喺呢度試音啦。OK。咁咧我就會用唔同嘅語言去同佢哋互動去玩，咁跟住咧我會同佢哋唱歌，咁啊好開心嘅，好嶄新嘅呢個頻道嚟緊。OK， 我會邀請所有細路仔，全球嘅細路仔，包括你係中國籍、任何國籍，咩國籍都好啦，你哋都歡迎嘅。只要你中意我呢個頻道，去學下唱歌，學下點樣去改變性格。有啲家長，喂，我想我仔仔女女改變下性格喎， 咁啊點樣可以學到 discipline 啦？點樣可以學到聆聽啦？點樣可以學到專心啦 focus 啦？咁啊點樣可以學到 time management 啦？性格改變命運啊嚇！咁啊家長可能睇完呢條片咧都會有進步嘅喎，我哋一齊進步好冇？我哋一齊喺條頻道裏邊進步。咁啊嚟緊咧就任何人都參加得嘅。咁啊幾多錢咧？就係200蚊就可以參加啦，唔係美金，係港幣。港幣200蚊就可以參加啦，係咪好平啊？就可以有10零分鐘咧，就坐喺度，又唱歌又同我玩遊戲嘅，好唔好啊？咁呢個係非常好嘅經驗嚟嘅。咁我哋會錄埋音啦，跟住咧成個過程裏邊咧，我哋會將唱歌嗰 part 咧就會 send 過去節目組，導演佢哋咧就會去審批出嚟，究竟佢有冇機會去攞到電視節目嘅入場券，我哋叫邀請函啦。所以200蚊就可以換取到個邀請函嘅機會，係咪好好啊 ？OK， 係啦，咁啊，甚至咧亦都有機會咧去參加我哋嘅比賽啦。我哋香港區嘅比賽就係6月啦。咁跟住咧，如果入到圍嘅話咧，係加上冠軍喺香港攞到冠軍嘅話，我哋香港有1、2、3、4、5、6、7組嘅年齡組別啊。咁每一組咧，我都送23,000蚊，價值23,000蚊嘅音樂視頻出嚟。OK， 入喺呢度錄音，好唔好啊 ？OK， 咁啊好玩喎，今年真係好玩喎。嚟緊我哋如果好多會員啊，好多學生家長都中意我呢個頻道，又想係想帶啲仔女200蚊嚟，梗係要見一見校長，甚至對唔住啊，冇得見我女。
That this life is easy, yeah, when my world is falling apart and there's no light to break up the dark. That's when I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. When I look at you, I see forgiveness. I see the truth. You love me for who I am, like the stars hold the moon, right there where they belong. And I know I'm not alone, yeah, when my world is falling apart and there's no light to break up the dark. That's when I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. You appear just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope colors that cover me. All I need, every breath that I breathe. Don't you know you're beautiful? Yeah, yeah. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my
我女係好少喺呢度嘅，少到根本呢幾年係冇試過喺度添啊。OK， 佢就要專心讀書啊，佢話 OK 啊，係啦，管唔到噶啦，而家細路仔 OK， 佢有佢嘅世界 OK， 咁啊大家都係啦。咁你作為家長嘅話咧，都要識得去放低啦。OK， 我都學緊嘅 OK， 係啦。因為而家啲細路仔，尤其是我兩個女咧，都係讀國際學校啦，都重皮真係。咁你問我咧，國際學校好唔好咧咁樣？嗱，見仁見智啊。Yes or no， 永遠啲答案都係 yes or no 嘅。咁啊，我就話俾你聽，唔好多過好咯。OK， 如果對我哋中國人嘅家庭嚟講，因為佢哋學到嘅文化咧，就學校嘅師資唔差，環境非常好，學費啊超平。但係我兩個女加埋4萬蚊到啦，港幣。已經係全香港最平嘅咯，最平嘅國際學校嚟嘅咯。OK， 咁啊唔好嘅地方就係因為佢哋嘅圈子咧，全部都係好我又唔可以講佢自私嘅，我覺得佢哋好有自己嘅世界，因為而家有 TikTok 啦，有小紅書啦，有好多嘅網上嘅不良嘅一啲信息，我又唔可以講佢太不良嘅，亦都有好有唔好，但係你要係咪揀到一個好好嘅嚟到去睇咧咁樣，你哋都唔知嘅喎，都唔知係佢哋播出嚟嘅係真定假嘅消息嚟嘅喎，即係所以你冇一個準則去知道你聽緊嘅頻道係唔好唔好啦。咁我呢個頻道咧肯定又好噶啦，因為咧我哋已經過千個學生嚟過啦，所有嚟過咧都係智慧型家長嚟嘅。
I love singing you. I love singing you.
I like seeing you, Karina.
I like to come singing you. I love singing. I love singing you. It's so amazing.
I like singing you.
I like coming to sing you because I enjoy having lessons here.
I really love it. It's fun. I learn a lot and how to use my stomach muscles and to really like project my voice. And I really love coming here.
I singing you.
經過咗 Dr. Sleep 嘅訓練之後咧，令我真係好意外，真係佢喺好短時間咧嗰個進步好大，令到我真係好有一個感動嘅感覺，因為原來咧一個咁有方法嘅老師咧教出嚟咧係完全嗰個效果係好唔同嘅，唔單止可以好聽，仲可以令到佢好有一個自信啦，同埋唱出嚟係直情係悅耳嗰種感覺咯。
先落台之後咧，佢話俾我知媽咪好好玩啊，咁樣話哇好 enjoy 喎，咁樣啊真係好開心啊！即係有個咁樣咁好嘅機會啦。
佢好中意舞台，係啊，好似 Doctor 話齋，佢嘅學生係屬於舞台。
我成日都講啊，家長呃唔到㗎 ，OK， 落場見真章。咁啊，所以見到我咧，成日都同啲學生好開心嘅。
Hopefully this is my first one and it's been so much fun. Steve has really been helping me. It's been great, yeah.
And so very good.
Thank you.
And mixing the song, like doing the mixing for Adele.
I wanna be your everything and more, and I know every day you say it, but I just want you to be sure that I am yours.
係真心嚟嘅呢個，咁啊亦都嚟到我哋呢度咧上堂咧，第一堂啫就可以進步30至100%㗎啦 ，OK， 唔係變魔術，因為我太多教唱歌經驗啦，我容易聽到佢哋嘅氣，點樣能夠將個氣去 control， 跟住點樣用 resonance， 用 diaphragm 即係單段氣去唱到出嚟。咁啊，我係借唱歌去改變大家個性格，越變越好。咁所以咧，家長從細路仔嘅良好習慣裏邊咧，亦都開始可以改好自己習慣，譬如少啲去玩手機啦，少啲喺屋企裏邊對住個 desktop 玩成個幾兩個鐘啦咁樣，呢個唔好嘅一個示範啦。咁啊，頭先講過就係話好多 topic 咧，我都喺呢個頻道裏邊講嘅，可能同細路仔傾偈啦，你平時同細路仔傾唔到嘅嘢咧，我同佢傾到喎，咁樣 OK， 好唔好啊？有幾好啊呢個啊！咁所以咧，我哋呢個嶄新頻道咧， 歡迎大家200蚊嘅啫 ，OK 都冚唔到我費用嘅 ，OK。咁啊，但係真係我希望啲細路仔學到嘢啦。第二就係有機會去參加我哋好多嘅唔同嘅電視台、內地電視台或者海外電視台嘅啲節目。咁我哋會不斷去 base on 我個 network。而家我好多 network 真係Got Talent 就話，就大家都知道啦，我全球華人第一個攞到黃金按鈕喺邊度攞到啊 ？AGT America's Got Talent。OK， 我哋中文咧，佢哋叫做全美一丁，我就唔好出呢個名嘅，其實 OK。咁我哋叫翻 AGT 咯，好嘛？咁啊 ，Got Talent 就係 AGT 就係 headquarter 啦咁樣，咁我係全線 Got Talent 咧都可以去到嘅，包括 American Idol 都可以去到嘅 ，OK。咁你問全中國嚟講，我應該係最多 network 噶啦，我個 network 又可以去到北京唱片公司，係啦。咁我有2個學生咧，都係北京唱片公司咧派嚟俾我去訓練嘅。跟住咧，有陣時簽唔簽呢個歌手咧，都會問我先嘅。OK， 我講北京啲唱片公司，當然係10大嗰啲啦。
To pray, here we go. Okay, very good, very good. Well, how you like the class? You like the class, right? 你喜歡課堂嗎？有很大的進步。
你忘歌忘歌忘歌忘歌忘歌忘歌忘了那一包的。I try to make the world seem better. Lord, show me the way.
Okay, you did a very good job on this one. I'm gonna tell you, Uncle. The first time you sing this song, it's around 3.5 out of 10. If 10 is higher score, okay, I'm gonna give you 9 out of 10 right now. Good job. 問題 Okay.
咁啊，所以我哋就因為大家香港你知歌手啦，香港歌手都要去大陸發展啦，都要去內地發展啦。咁我嘅脈絡咧就主要就係海外同埋係內地 ，OK。咁變咗咧就當然係唱歌邊比較為主啦。咁所以你哋無論係細路仔啊咩歲數都好啦，你都可以透過我去參加啲歌唱比賽。又唔係叫直通車，但係起碼咧我會 package 到你哋咧好夠資格去令到我碌呢張卡去俾一啲重要嘅人物去聽咯，即係譬如好似我哋想做歌手，咁我哋 send 個 demo 去唱片公司，唱片公司會第一會點啊？抌落垃圾桶咯，因為佢唔識你係嘛？第二佢唔會花呢1分鐘甚至3分鐘去聽嘅喎，咁啊，因為你冇一個故事 background 或者冇一個 connection， 佢唔會嘥呢個時間，因為佢哋係好貴嘅人嚟嘅，好 valuable time， 佢哋係每1分鐘都係即係幾百萬上落㗎嘛，係咪先？咁變咗咧，佢哋唔會花呢1分鐘去聽好多無謂嘅一啲唔知道 background 嘅一啲，可能你唱得好好嘅，咁你咁樣就埋沒咗咯。OK， 所以可能睇緊呢條片嘅你咧，可能唱歌唱得好好嘅，咁就係因為你冇 connection， 唔知你點樣 package。咁你問我問 package 好叻咁樣，梗係叻啦，唔叻嘅話，我點能夠帶到我女一步咁啊去到 BGT 去到 AGT， 甚至中間又去到日本嗰度去攞到冠軍咧咁樣。電視台咧當然就即係我哋講緊啲唔係豬肉獎嗰啲嚟㗎，我哋講緊啲點樣帶你去啲世界性嘅慈善組織啊。咁啊日後咧希望你哋駕見到咧就係去儲晒呢啲咁靚嘅一啲 profile，contribute to the world society，not only your local city society。跟住咧就去考呢個美國、英國、澳洲、加拿大嘅大學，當然最好美國啦，就考到 full scholarship 就最好啦。OK， 咁啊，我上年已經開始部署點樣去幫我女去做呢樣嘢㗎啦。但係選擇永遠都喺佢自己度，因為佢我指唔到佢哋，只可以俾意見佢嘅。OK 嚇，希望佢日後知道我嘅苦心啦。OK， 即係栽培咗佢咁多，咁希望佢亦都能夠真係喺唱歌裏邊能夠做多啲貢獻啦。咁呢個係我哋嘅 mission， 就係希望擺多啲片落去。YouTube 頻道裏邊去造福人群，因為好多 fans 咧都話咧，聽完我哋嘅片，睇完我哋嘅唱歌之後咧，係成個人開心晒，唔開心變做開心，開心變做好鬼開心，好唔好啊？嗱，呢張凳等緊你哋坐嘅 ，OK？ 嗱，你哋嚟到嘅時候咧，就可以感受到錄音室，我哋呢個小型錄音室個經驗啦。咁跟住咧就可以同我傾偈啦。咁呢個好值錢啦，係咪？因為最值錢嘅話就係我好多sharing 去令到佢好 inspire 嘅。OK， 同埋我都幾得細路仔嘅歡心嘅 ，OK， 好開心嘅嚟到，只係200蚊嘅港幣係咪啊 ？OK， 只係 即係我唔係志在錢嘅，係志在咧就係能夠幫得到個細路仔，又幫得到你哋去解決一啲少少嘅問題。即係有陣時，喂，我真係唔知點樣去知道我仔啊、我女諗乜嘢嘅咁樣。啊，原來你講兩句就真係知道咗喎咁樣。咁啊，跟住又可以唱下歌仔啦，跟住我又可以發掘到一啲細路仔係咪真係去到Got Talent啦咁樣。因為我而家我目標希望嚟緊有多5個實驗出嚟㗎嘛。我能夠做到一個實驗，我梗係做到好多個實驗啦。咁點解仲未做到啊？呢6、7年都仲未做到，因為我喺香港度咯，我蠢到喺香港度，我應該喺美國嘅 ，OK？ 咁啊好多人都 question 我哋係香港定喺美國住啦咁樣，我哋一路都喺香港住，我蠢啊！咁啊，其實香港人好幸福嘅，因為有我喺度啊嘛。但係咧，香港人太忙啦。太密集啦啲 schedule， 啲細路仔咧係太密集，咁又係加上我哋唱歌咧就係一啲比較 extra 嘅 curricular 嘅 activities 啦，即係有啲戶外活動啊，咁所以一定擺星期6嘅，星期日我哋香港人好幸福嘅，就 family day 就盡量都唔學嘢啊，淨係玩嘅同啲 family， 咁啊所以家長好好啊香港啲 family， 咁啊星期6咧咁佢哋學好多嘢啦，咁跟住咧如果搭車喺新界出嚟咧又要成個鐘啦咁樣，咁所以佢哋前後都冇咗3個鐘，所以咧佢哋都就算嚟到嘅話咧，都一個禮拜嚟1個鐘。咁呢一年咧，當你嚟足52個禮拜你都得52個鐘。我訓練咗我女700個鐘，咁即係訓練起碼7至10年先能夠去到 AGT。咁所以就盞搞啦。而家我哋2017年攞咗個 Golden Buzzer 之後，咁而家都係6年啫，唔係8年啫，係咪？咁點解仲未訓練到？就因為幾難嘅，你唔 focus 到每個禮拜1個鐘咧，其實佢哋喺屋企都唔係好練㗎啦，都1個鐘唔係學到好多嘢嘅啫。咁我好多學生都係會枕住嚟嘅，但係我得1% 嘅學生係會想去 Got Talent 嘅啫。咁但係我相信都仲有好多人想去 Got Talent 嘅。咁啊，你哋咪嚟咯，坐喺度咯。咁我就會去 shortlist 去 consolidate 去挑選一啲有潛質去被訓練嘅一啲細路仔，好唔好啊 ？OK， 咁我唔係淨係訓練1個，唔係訓練淨係5個嘅，咁我會訓練好多個，因為你要大數法則好多個先能夠訓練到個5個出嚟噶嘛。OK， 係啦，因為可能訓練50個甚至500個，最後先走到5個係 pretty ready， 係 equip 到，係裝備好先能夠俾我碌張卡去俾Got Talent去聽一聽啦咁樣。我碌嘅話，佢哋實聽嘅。OK， 就算我碌去唔同嘅唱片公司咧，都聽一聽嘅。OK， 係啦，咁啊係咁多啦，好唔好啊 ？OK， 咁啊如果想我哋呢條片咧有英文嘅，亦都有國語嘅字幕嘅。OK， 咁啊想我有啲片，仲有啲咩分享嘅話咧，記得留言點讚。分享俾你哋嘅家鄰鄰舍、同學仔同埋朋友仔 ，OK？ 有啲咩 topic 你想我講嘅，記得，好嘛 ？OK？ 咁啊，我嚟緊咧就統計下，我講啲咩 topic 啦 ，prioritize 佢啦，即係統計下，每個禮拜拍幾多條片啦，邊日拍好啲啦，邊日出片好啲啦，同埋有啲咩 topic 啦咁樣，你哋盡量 feed in 俾我，話翻俾我聽，好嘛？第二咧就係會員區。咁啊，一定係有直播啦，有直播嘅話咧，咁我嚟緊咧就係想睇下你哋幾多錢係覺得係值得俾我嘅，好嘛？係唔係俾我，而係即係能夠 cover 到我啲其他員工嘅一啲開支啊，好唔好啊？因為你拍條片咧，就拍條片要諗好耐啦，諗成2個鐘先拍咩片啦，跟住拍完條片咧要剪片都剪幾個鐘啦，跟住又要加字幕啦，跟住又要 upload 上去，又要做 marketing 啦，哇！好多嘢要10幾20個鐘先做到一條片出嚟。咁所以咧，記得如果睇呢條片嘅話咧，你見到啲廣告咧都撳一撳咯，好嘛？都幾好睇嘅啲廣告 ，OK？ 咁啊，記得就係 subscribe 我哋嘅 channel 啦，好嘛 ？OK？ 好 ，thank you very much，OK？ 身體健康，拜拜，呢個位等緊你㗎啦。